the wood ducks hanging out there, and here she comes.
Yeah. That's our wood duck and the heron.
One big happy family.
That's a wood duck? Oh no, that's mallard or wood duck?
I don't know if that's a teal or a mallard female. Can't tell. It looks small like a teal. Blue-winged teal. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're wood duck? Oh no, mallard.
No, I think they're blue-winged teal. Like the ducks you clean when you throw a shot.
Oh young, they're so young.
I think. I don't know.
Oh, they cannot fly
I
yet?
don't think they're. Can they?
I don't know.
Young?
I don't know, the young doesn't have any, oh, they have a light blue feather or what you call that,
Markings
marking.
on the wings.
Yeah, flying fish.
Where? There?
Yeah.
Cormorant.